which of the following numbers is greater than 3/4 of the numbers but less than 1/4 of the numbers? And my numbers that they gave me, my answers are either 56, 68, 69, 71, and 73. And these are the numbers that were given. And this line, I just wrote them in increasing order. And then I counted the number of numbers. There's 8 of them. And I did 3/4 of 8. That's multiplication. 4, we're going to 8. 2 times 2 times 3 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You read that again. Greater than 3/4 of the numbers. Greater than 3/4 of the numbers. Well, that would be either 71 or 73. And the last part says less than 1/4 of the numbers. So I did 1/4 of 8 again, and that gave me 2. So it's got to be less than 73 or 82. Well, it's equal to 73, so that tells me my answer has to be 71. Hope that makes sense.